Hello you guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Yeah, today I'm having some new chicken sandwich that Wendy have, and the name of this chicken sandwich is called Classic Jalapeno Popper Sandwich. It looked good. It got the bacon. What did it have out on it? It had I wrote it down. It got the smoked bacon, cheddar cheese, cream cheese. Yeah, and it looked real good. So we will see how it tastes. Okay, show you that's the pepper. Let's show you guys. I guess that's the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese. That's how it look, you guys. This is definitely gonna be a short video. So I'm gonna dig in, you guys. I like they bun. And I got the cut fryer. Even though they didn't give it no ketchup, but that's okay. I got my own ketchup. And the drink that I have is called, the drink that I had ordered is the Tropical Berry Lemonade. And I tasted it and it's really, really good, okay? So, go ahead, you guys. You guys could take the first bite. While you guys take the first bite, I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah, I don't hardly eat too much fast food and stuff, so I just decided I want to order some Wendy's. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and what I do, you guys, I put hot sauce in my ketchup. It's really good. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't have my stand, you guys. But you did get the first bite, so I'm gonna take a bite. See, I'll tell you before I end this video. Good. Wow. Very good, you guys. I might like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well to show them what I got going on my cooking channel. Subscribe, like, comment. If you don't mind, I really appreciate it. And then I did say, if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe out there. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Very good, you guys. Very good.